Top 5. Best fishing nets. Fishing without a fishing net will cause you lose fishes on the water. No matter whether you are fishing from a kayak, fishing from the shore or fly fishing. Number 5. SF Fly Fishing Landing Net. Have you ever tried using a fly fishing net? Unlike regular fishing nets, fly fishing nets are usually short for more stability in close combat with fishes. While searching for the best fly fishing nets, I found that this one is a tremendous net to do the job. Widely used as trout catch and release net, it offers great functionality at a reasonable price. The clear rubberized net material makes sure the fish will not tangle or mildew when storing the fish. You will see a 360-degree copper swivel at the end of the handle. What's more, the combo kit magnetic clip is there to keep it closed. Number 4. Fiblink Folding Landing Net. Angler loves fishing net with a long handle. If you are one of them, you will surely love this folding fishing net. To provide a better handling of fishes, the manufacturer used strong materials to make this net. The handle can be extended up to 100 with 118 in overall. Tangle-free nylon mesh net. Handle can be extended. Foldable for convenient storage. The anodized corrosion-resistant aluminum alloy handle and hoop makes it easy to hold up to big fishes. The tangle-free nylon mesh net is also durable and works awesome for fishing. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfinley.com. Search best fishing nets or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findlay fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 3. Wakeman Fishing Retractable Rubber. A retractable aluminum handle. Mainly used for catch and release, this fishing net can be used for almost all types of fishing except fly fishing. The wide net opening with the flat bottom basket comes very handy to receive fish of all sizes. Retractable aluminum handle. Perfect for catch and release. High quality thermal plastic rubber net. The length of the handle is 35 and it is highly durable. Like a good fishing net, this one's net is also tangle free. In a nutshell, for the price being, this is the best fishing net in my findings. Number 2. Madbite Fishing Release Telescoping. You will know how pathetic it is to untangle the net. The mesh used in this fishing net is coated with tangle-free coated fine mesh to capture both small and big fishes. The coated mesh also helps prevent the hook getting stuck in the net. Foldable and retractable. Tangle-free coated fine mesh net. E-glass used to make net hoop. This fishing net comes in 3 different sizes. The handle of this fishing net is made of high-grade octagon-shaped aluminum with non-absorbent PVC material on the end of it. Scooping up the fish with this lightweight yet strong fishing net can be very easy. Number 1. PLUSINNO Fishing Net Fish Landing Net. A non-absorbent coating to prevent it from waterlogging, bacteria or any other odor absorption. The pole is foldable and has a very lightweight design. As a result, you can easily carry it while moving. Also, it comes with a belt clip for more convenient transportation. 2 different styles. Made of premium material. Excellent elasticity. The waterproof nylon mesh is coated with a non-absorbent coating to prevent it from waterlogging, bacteria or any other odor absorption. The pole is foldable and has a very lightweight design. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfinley.com. Search best fishing nets or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findlay fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts.